In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion and Obsidian together effectively. If you've been trying to decide between these two tools, the good news is that you do not have to choose just one. Notion and Obsidian are strong in different ways, and the best approach is often to give each tool a clear job. That way, your system stays simple, practical, and much easier to maintain over time. The first thing you want to do is decide what you want to use Notion for and what you want to use Obsidian for. This matters because confusion usually starts when both tools are trying to do the exact same thing. Instead of duplicating everything, give each one a specific role in your workflow. Use Notion for dashboards, databases, project tracking, and collaboration. Notion is especially useful when you need structure and visibility. It works well for organizing tasks, planning projects, keeping reference tables, and managing information you may want to share with other people. If you like seeing everything in one polished workspace, Notion is a great fit for that. Then use Obsidian for private notes, linked thinking, and long-term knowledge. Obsidian is ideal for personal writing, deeper thinking, and building connections between ideas over time. If you want a place to capture reflections, study notes, research, or concepts that grow gradually, Obsidian gives you a much more flexible environment for that kind of work. Once those roles are clear, create a simple workflow between both tools. The goal is not to make your system complicated. It is to make it obvious where different kinds of information belong. A simple system is easier to trust and easier to keep using consistently. Save structured information in Notion. That includes things like project plans, timelines, task lists, status updates, and organized reference material. If the information needs a clear layout or benefits from filters, views, and databases, Notion is usually the better place for it. Save deep notes, ideas, and linked thoughts in Obsidian. This is where you can think more freely, explore topics in detail, and connect one idea to another. Over time, this helps you build a personal knowledge base instead of just collecting scattered notes. When it's useful, add links between Notion pages and Obsidian notes. This creates a bridge between action and thinking. For example, a project page in Notion can point to supporting notes in Obsidian, while an Obsidian note can reference a related planning page in Notion. Finally, review both systems regularly so they stay organized. A quick check-in helps you clean up clutter, update links, and make sure each tool is still serving its purpose. With that habit in place, Notion and Obsidian can work together smoothly without overwhelming you.